Introducing Samsung Galaxy S22 5G smartphone in Phantom White. It is also available in Phantom Black and Green. The smartphone comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The Dynamic AMOLED 2X display comes with 120Hz refresh rate. It has a slim bezel design with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the screen and back panels. It is equipped with an advanced pro-grade camera for better pictures. The smartphone runs on 4nm processor with Android 12 operating system. The 3700 mAh lithium-ion battery provides extended battery life. The box includes handset, ejection pin, data cable, and quick start guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.